Trinidad kitchen. We're making the bammy and fish now. So I want to show you how we bake the bammy. Join us. I will show the cassava in the pot. This is how we're looking after we squeeze the water and things. So we're making the bammy now. Alright, so after put it in the pot have to hot. And after we throw it in, we have to wait until it starts to make the space around the side. Because if you turn it before, it will break up. So that's how we have to do it. So when we come back, we'll show you the finishing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to, if you notice how this side, come close on the cameraman. If you notice how this side start to make way, that's how we have to do it. And we have to throw a little fresh one over here that the side will come out smooth. Right. Turn. Then you have a piece of, there you go, bind it together. Ready? Yes guys, this is how our bammy looking when it comes from the pot. So we can't wait to finish the fish and then to dig in, but stay tuned. Yeah guys, welcome back. I want to show you how we're frying up our decoration. So we put a little oil in the pot here, make it hot. Then stir. Then we're going to leave it a little bit for the heat to penetrate through it. We have some shredded carrot here. That is what we're going to use to complete the decoration. Guys, you know how long I don't eat bammy and fish? I'm going to enjoy this today. And pour in our carrot. Look how beautiful this is.
Best food now right here.
Yeah, best food, best food, Trinidad. That is what we're saying in the kitchen here today.
Mash up now.
Right. Vinegar. I know the flavor when this is done. Listen, watch my customer ready to eat fish. Tell them what going in the kitchen now.
Best thing in our bammy and fish, you know? Dying for taste, if you hear that, you can't wait.
Jamaican cock soup. Star.
Can't wait, my friend.
Watch it.
Eh?
Why is smelling in the kitchen here?
Man, it's smelling nice, you know? Nice.
Cameraman, what are you saying? You're the cameraman, you know.
And
I feel like go for fire the camera, man. You know, I take the scent and you know, he kind of shy, you know. He's when you're done, he go ready to eat.
is it?
Yeah. Yeah. So we go show you one time with decorating the fish. Just a minute. Hey guys, we're ready to cut the our fish, right? So we want it to both sides of the fish to have the taste of the dressing. So I decorate the container first before I put the fish. So we're going to decorate. I like when time it tastes in and out. So I just stuff the fish with the decoration inside. Watch carefully, right? Right. Yes guys, this is the finishing of our bammy and fish. That is how it look when it finish. But the looks is different from the taste, eh? When you try it, you're gonna know how it is. So I can't wait now to dip in. So thanks for watching. Watch, like and subscribe.
Goodbye.